This video will go over all of the features being released with our April 19th update of Striven, revolving around the customer portal and communications. First, let's talk about monthly statement format updates. To view this, click Company and Settings from the drop-down. Then choose Customers on the left-hand menu, followed by Portal, and then Statement Templates. Now we can click into a monthly statement, and you can see here we've added section formatting for monthly statement formats. Here we can choose our header background color, choose our font color, our font type, and our font size from the drop-down to customize the headers of all of our monthly statements that we send out to customers. Now let's talk about updates to Buzz. We've added Buzz audiences, and to view this, click the Buzz icon at the top right of Striven. Then click Create New Post. We've added audiences which can be seen on the right-hand side of the Add Buzz Post section. Here we can choose to share the Buzz post with all employees, or we can choose individual employees, teams, job titles, or divisions as well. So if we only wanted to share it with our bakery division, we can choose that division, and only those users assigned to the division will be able to see the Buzz post. We can also share with specific customers or vendors as well. So by choosing a customer from the drop-down, the post will be shared with that customer. We can then add a title for the Buzz post, and then begin adding our content, pictures, or documents in order to post to Buzz. Once the post is created, the employees who are assigned here in the Buzz audience will get notified and will be able to see the Buzz post. If you shared with a customer or vendor, they will also be notified and they'll be able to see the post in their customer portal. To manage permissions for the portal, for Buzz posts, click Company and Settings from the drop-down, followed by Customers, Portal, and Roles. To manage a portal user's permission, click on a portal role, and you'll see all the permissions listed here. We've added one for Buzz Posts Access. If employees have this permission, then they will be able to access the Buzz posts that you've shared with them. If they do not have this access, they will not be able to see the Buzz post you shared. Now let's log into the customer portal to view some updates we've added there as well. Once on the customer portal, we can view all the updates that customers can see upon logging in as long as they have permissions to these features. Number one, you'll see the Buzz post icon up top, right by the Striven logo, and you'll see a red dot meaning that we have a new Buzz post to see. By clicking the Buzz icon, users will be able to see the Buzz posts that have been shared with them as long as they have permission, as we discussed previously. Here they'll be able to see all the Buzz posts that have been shared with them. We've also added a new widget in the Service Metrics report. To view this report, scroll down on the left-hand menu and click Service Metrics underneath the Reports section. Here, customers will be able to see all the information about tasks and their service metrics. But we've added a widget called Location. This will show customers all the tasks associated to each location that they have for their customer record. We've also added updates related to customer assets. But first, let's go to the dashboard, and we can see a widget called Asset Status. This will allow us to monitor customer assets in the customer portal. First, click Add Assets to monitor status. Then, you can begin adding assets that you'd like to monitor from the drop-down list. This will show all the assets that you've added here, and you can click on them to be brought to the list of assets. On the assets list, we've also added search filters, which we can see by clicking the magnifying glass on the top right. Search filters we've added here are the maintenance date from, and a checkbox to filter your list to only assets that you follow. By clicking Assets I Follow and clicking Search, it'll only show the assets that you followed on the widget dashboard that we saw previously. We've also added a new feature so that if I start a discussion with somebody, and I click the Post button, their browser tab, as we can see here, will begin blinking, saying that somebody has messaged them. This will help alert users that they have a new discussion, and by clicking, they'll be able to view the discussion in their portal, and this also works within the Striven ERP itself, so that if you get a message from a customer or an employee, you can see that within Striven, just like we saw here. Lastly, let's look at one more portal role by clicking Company, Settings, Customers, Portal, and Roles. We can click into a portal role, and here we've added a new permission for Discussions View All. If a portal user does not have this permission on, they will only be able to see their discussions. But if they have this permission, they'll be able to view all discussions associated to the customer. And that's a look at all of the features being released on April 19th, 2020 related to the customer portal and communications.